Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to share details about the MoonTober token. Yes, Harwin owned the blockchain, and this is time where we have to take decision. Either we want to enter into the crypto with huge momentum, because in October month, everybody know that there will be pump. And now there is MoonTober token is here that you are also going to join. Link will be provided in my video. MoonTober, that is also a token working on Solana blockchain for the community. And this is also built for the speed with hype and seasonal energy. So let's get started into it. This video is for educational purpose only. Do your research on. And you know here, Halloween is on the blockchain. And MoonTober, that is not just another token. This is a seasonal movement. And this is also called as the branding is locked within a metallic mascot, sharp and visual on the daily update. You can check out on their website. The story is very simple. That in October month, the crypto is going to take an up and bullish point. For that, you can also get the community updates too. And MoonTober token that embodies fast Solana transaction with clean branding and active team pushing non-stop behind this project. And yes, MoonTober token is here where you can easily grab the opportunity to have the analysis of the chart with their price. And here you can also check out how price is going to increase within last 24 hours. So everything is here. You just need to understand the market and their community updates too. And yes, this is also going to giving you update about their glow up launch, how they will launch on the platform where people in their community will join this ecosystem. Yes, MoonTober is a community-driven meme token that forged under a moonlit sky. And this is the right time. When halving has been launched on the blockchain, then you can also enter into their ecosystem too, where you can also find some other reasons behind this project as well. Like this spooky fun for a hold built for October hype haunting year-round. Everybody who are going to join, they can also get the further information on their DEX trainer where token has been listed. You can even check out their recently price, how chart is going to increase with their 24-hour, how hype is going to regain. So this is also what you can also get the information about MoonTober token. And yes, there is also some other information when it will be given to the task as a member. So here is also how to buy. The process is very simple. Come to the Solana wallet, having some Solana asset, and then you can easily swap that currency with this MoonTober token. So you can also grab a complete information about this community, about the update latest inside on their official Twitter and Telegram. So you can discuss with your teams too. You can analyze the chart details. If you have any question or curious till now about MoonTober meme token, you can ask in our convo. See you next week. Till then, take care.